on.
Hey guys, Dr. Ladd with Breakaway Chiropractic. So you dealing with neck pain, upper back pain? Are you sitting on your phone or computer for so long during the day? Here's some cool things that are gonna help you, kind of give you some relief, and then you can figure out from there what you wanna do and when you can get you back into the office, okay? So first thing is a neck stretch. What you're gonna do is take your hand, put it behind your back, and the direction that your fingers are going in, you wanna let your ear touch that same side shoulder, okay? And what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold these stretches, all of them, for 30 seconds, do 3 sets of them, and try to do it twice a day if you can. So just kind of let that relax, drop that shoulder, let that ear fall down to the shoulder, and again, hold for 30 seconds. You're gonna feel that nice pull kind of starting from here, going all the way into the shoulder, really focusing, isolating that trap muscle. So after your 30 seconds, what you're gonna do is switch it to the other side. So again, same thing, arm goes behind the back. Right there, you can see those fingers, your head's gonna fall to that same shoulder, and boom, just kind of let that fall again for 30 seconds. Nice, long hold, nice and relaxed. Just try to relax your body, relax your shoulders, and feel the pull. Next one you're gonna do after your 30 seconds is you're gonna take that same hand, put it behind your back, but what you're gonna do is turn your head to that same side shoulder where those fingers are pointed and go down like you're sniffing your armpit. Hope it smells good. And again, same thing, you're kind of working on that trap, more posterior aspect there, and really working on just kind of opening this whole area up. Again, give it that nice 30 seconds hold, 3 sets. Same thing on the other side, you're gonna pop over, turn to the shoulder, and down like you're sniffing your armpit. Good, give it that good hold, feel that pull here, try to relax as much as you can. Unfortunately, our traps are so tight, and we're constantly using them. We wanna work on relaxing them and really focusing on just kind of dropping those shoulders down. Awesome, so after your 30 seconds, 3 sets, next is gonna be called a barrel stretch. What we're gonna do here is interlocking our fingers and sitting up nice and tall and pushing straight out. What you're gonna do is you're gonna really focus on isolating this area right back here, and that's what you're trying to open up. So nice, good pull. Kind of like you're giving somebody a nice big bear hug, but pushing forward. And you can see you're really working on the middle trap, rhomboid area to open those guys and kind of relax it all up. Again, same thing here. You're gonna hold it for the 3 sets, 30 seconds. And remember, we do it twice a day if you can. Boom. Especially when you're sitting there in front of your desk or on your phone or whatever that is, this helps kind of loosen everything up. Perfect. The next one we're going to do are called YTWL. So one thing you can remember, young women love tequila. Easy way to remember it. So you can do it sitting, you can do it standing, you can do it in your chair, whatever's easier for you, on the couch. You're going to start with the Y. So big thing here, you got like YMCA. Thumbs are going backwards, pointing towards the back of your room, and you're just squeezing, again, right here in the middle of your scapular blades, pushing straight backwards. Again, what this is going to do is help strengthen those mid-trap rhomboid muscles because they are just completely flexed forward when we're in that pronated position going forwards on our devices all the time. Again, same thing here, 30 seconds, 3 sets. And then we're gonna come down to a T. Remember, thumbs going backwards. Try to drop your shoulders, allow them to relax, and pull straight back. Again, squeeze in between those scapular blades. You're gonna really feel that pull when you get to that 30-second time. And again, remember, 3 sets. Next is going to be W. So again, reset yourself, come straight back, squeeze between those scapular blades. Remember, your shoulders are nice and relaxed and drop, and thumbs are going backwards, pointing towards the back of the room, and just squeezing between those scapular blades again. Feel that good pull. If you guys remember the acronym, young women love tequila, and you'll never forget these moves. Last is going to be the L, so you're going to come down again, give yourself a reset, let your arms rotate backwards. Thumbs still back towards the back of the room, And again, same thing, you're really feeling it between those rhomboids and the middle part of your spine there. Give it a good 30-second hold. Let your shoulders nice and relaxed, because what happens is we do this a lot, which puts a lot of strain and pressure there. We want to drop those bad boys and let them relax, because they're too tight. Good, perfect. So again, remember, 3 sets, 30 seconds, and we want to try to do that once or twice a day would be helpful. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to do a couple rows. Okay, so if you have some bands at home, or if you have some light weights, you can do this as well. But very simple. We're going to come to these bands, and these are called rows. So we have the cross bands here. Essentially what we're going to do, knees are going to be slightly bent, making sure our knees don't go over our toes, really focusing on pulling that core in, so sucking your belly button in to kind of touch your spine. Nice seated position, head up nice and tall, chin up tall to really work the erector muscles. Keep that core nice and tight. And basically what we're doing here is coming straight back. Again, same thing like the other exercises we did. We're really focusing on pulling in the rhomboids and strengthening those bad boys in the mid-trap. Now the key here is we don't want to do this. It's not a race. Nice and slow. We want to give it that nice 2-second hold. Remember, really focus on pulling your shoulders, everything back, and then give it a good release. Again, same thing here. We want to do 20 reps. Again, 3 sets. Keep that chin tucked and just get everything fired up and working. You have a nice 2-second hold. Boom. All right, so after you've done your 3 sets of 20 on that guy, what we're gonna do is gonna do some rear flies. So very similar. Again, we're focusing on that same area in the back. We got our knees bent, we got our core tight, belly button towards our spine. And in a similar motion, instead of coming straight back at the 90 degrees, we're gonna keep our arms open, not pulling from here, but more pulling from back here. You can get your friend or spouse or whoever behind you and get their finger right between your scapular blades to make sure that you're pulling from that correct spot. And just give it a nice hold. Remember, 2-second hold. And just feel that pressure right in the back there. Keeping your chin up, nice and tall, core active, knees slightly bent. Boom. And what this is going to do, because we're always stuck in this position all the time on screens and computers, what this does is help open up our chest and strengthen our back to make you more erect and decrease a lot of pressure that you're getting in the back. Boom. Very simple. 1, 2. Now I do want to show you a couple pec stretches, which I think will really help you out, just to kind of work on the anterior or front part of your spine or your chest. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to find a wall somewhere. Okay, so I'm sure we all got walls or kids or whatever in our house. So we're going to take our, let's say we're doing the left side, we're going to take our left foot, pull it forward. That same arm is going to go up against the wall. Try to get close to the wall, but not too close to the wall. You want to keep your arm nice and straight. And basically what you're working on is twisting away from the wall, and you're going to feel that pull right through here, right in the upper part of the pec. That's what we're focusing on. If it feels like it's coming a little bit lower, drop your arm a little bit, kind of walk it down a bit, and then you'll feel it more kind of right here in the upper part of the pec. The more we can relax this guy, the less pressure we're going to feel up front and decrease that tension. So again, same thing here. Any stretch we do, we hold it for 30 seconds. Awesome. So give it a nice pull. Now to really isolate your biceps tendon, which is this guy right through here, again from being on a mouse, repetitive motions, things like that, what you can do is turn your thumb inwards towards the wall. As you can see there, slight motion that we did, the rotation there, but that really isolates that biceps tendon, and that can really help loosen things up there, because that bad boy gets super tight, especially if you do lots of push-ups or bench press, anything like that, that really helps open it up. Again, 3 sets, 30 seconds. Now obviously we gotta switch to the other side to even it out. Otherwise you could be walking around in circles. So same thing, flat arm, right arm we're doing, right pec, right foot goes forward, boom. And just feel that stretch all through here in that pec. Keep that arm nice and relaxed. Again, lower it if you have to, really isolate the top part of the pec. And just let that sit there. 30 seconds, 3 sets. And then once we've done that, remember we turn our thumb inwards to really isolate that biceps tendon right at the top. Ooh, that bad boy's tight. Tell I need this one too. And just let that guy chill and relax. Really opening it up. Now make sure we're keeping our head up, looking forward. We don't want to go down. We don't want to look all wonky and stuff. Just nice and tall always. Work on your posture and everything you do. Sitting, standing, sleeping, all that good stuff. Work on that posture. Perfect. And that's it. So those are some great exercises, easy, simple exercises you can do at home, at your desk, at work, wherever you are, that's going to help relieve a lot of the pressure that we feel in the neck and upper shoulders. So if you have any questions, give us a call. Remember, Breakaway Chiropractic, come on in for your adjustment. We'd love to help you out. Thanks.